Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cruise Control Nissan Sentra, updated. Start by locating the cruise stalk on the right of the wheel and confirm your speed is above 25 mph. Turn the system on, accelerate to your desired speed, then press SET to maintain that speed. Use RES to return to a saved speed, cancel to disengage, and brake to override quickly for safety. To fine-tune speed while cruising, gently tap the stalk up or down for small 1 mph adjustments to match traffic flow. If you need a larger change, press and hold the stalk until you reach the desired speed, then release to set it. You can also press the accelerator to temporarily exceed set speed. When you release the pedal, the Sentra will return to the preset speed automatically. Cruise control is a convenience feature, not a substitute for attention behind the wheel, so stay alert and be ready to take over at any time. Avoid using cruise control on slick surfaces, in heavy traffic, or on steep, winding roads where speed must be modulated frequently. Remember to cancel before exiting the highway in congested areas and use lower gears or engine braking on long descents to maintain safe speeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.